this video, I will show you step by step on how to pay many seller on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without using agents. Step by step tutorial without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Salva or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see how to pay many supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's welcome my friends. So let's see how to pay many sellers on Pinduoduo in just few minutes. Step-by-step tutorial. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. Having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you add all the items from different supplier to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video out on my channel. I make a lot of video on how to add an item to cart. After you have successfully add an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to fill your profile. Then from here, click on here to fill your cart. So these are all the items I'm going to purchase straight up from different seller on Pinduoduo. So the next thing I'm going to do is to select each of the item one after the other. I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. So I'm going to select them one after the other. I'm buying this. I'm buying this. I'm buying this. And this. And this. I'm buying this. I'm buying this. I'm buying this. I'm buying this. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So you can preview all the items from the checkout right here. So you can see all these items here are from different supplier entirely. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to payment. When I click on here to confirm my payment, then enter my payment password. It's as simple as that. So payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on done right here. Then I need to click on here to go back to my profile. Now, the time I refresh my profile, all the items I just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. So this is the first one. So about 9 different items right here. And then this is the last one right here. So this is how to pay many seller on Pinduoduo in just few minutes, step-by-step tutorial without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Tawa or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.